got our head here. We got this all done. We've let the neck set up and dry for 24 hours. So what we want to do is we want to mark our center on here so we don't lose our center. That's where we're going to drill our hole for our stick. So we're going to mark this center. That way, once we start sanding this down, we don't lose it. So we'll mark that, and then this is the size of the circle we're going to use for our neck that our stick is going to go into. So we'll sand this all down. And then, so we don't lose this, we're going to punch a little hole in here. So we don't lose our centerpiece. So we're going to take all this off in here and round it all down. Now I'm going to use my 4-inch belt sander and then to get this all down in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.